everyone, it is Becky with Scotland Marketing, and today I want to show you how you can create a custom smart plan in Command. So we're going to start by logging in. We're going to log in at agent.kw.com with our KW credentials. And once we are in Command, we are going to navigate to the Smart Plans applet on the left-hand side. If you hover over the applet, it will show you the name. You can also click the red square and see the names. So the Smart Plans is the square with the toggles and the gear. So we're going to navigate over there. We're going to click Create in the top right corner. We're going to enter our Smart Plan name. And we're going to click Create Plan. So that will bring us to this page, which is where we can set the steps for our Smart Plan. So the day one is going to be the day the contact is added to the Smart Plan. And so we can choose to wait a couple of days and have this step occur on day 2 or day 3. However, I'm just going to go back and just have it start on day 1. So we have 5 options for steps that we can create. So we can create a task, make a call, send an email, send a text, or add to Smart Plan. So I'm going to say create a task and drag and drop it over there. Once we are here, it's going to pop up this form on the right-hand side. So you're going to enter your your task name. So we're going to say, you're going to add merge tags to this. And so we're going to add the contact's first name and contact last name. We can mark it as a touch task, meaning we've made contact with them, touch base with them, and we can enter our description. We do have the options for merge tags in our description as well. So we can say, add a merge tag so that their name will auto-populate in the task information for you. We can add a hyperlink if we would like. We can set the priority level to high, medium, low, or none. We can select the due date. So we can make it up for 14 days. And we can set a due time, whether it's all day or at a specific time. And then we can set when the task can be created. On day 1, you cannot change the time of day that it is created, as it is it's going to start the time that you add them to the Smart Plan. So we're going to say add a step, and we can add another day, and we can choose again how long it delays. So I'm going to make this delay, say 3 days. So on day 4, I'm going to say we're going to make a call, just so we can see each of these steps. Under make a call, it is going to be pretty much the same. It's going to have a task for you, and it will create a task in your tasks applet in Command, and it should show up on your home page, which you can tweak that a little bit so it shows or doesn't show. Task name, this is a phone call, so we're going to say call. We're going to say, again, use those merge tags. In that description, we can add a call script if we would like, add some bullet points. We have 3,000 characters that we can use, and so we can enter whatever we would like to here. Again, we have merge tags that we can add. Adding a hyperlink if you would like to talk to them about a specific link. Priority level, high, medium, or low, or none. Let's say it's a high priority. Under due date, we can have it due same day. It's all the same steps. I'm going to say the due time, we want it to be at 6 p.m. When should the task be created? We want the task to be created in the morning, just so that we have all day to look at it. So we're going to say add that step. And we're going to add another day in here. And we're going to do send an email. So sending an email is a little bit different for these. So creating a task and making a call both show up as tasks in your command. However, sending an email is going to automatically send the email that you enter here. So you can enter our subject here. You can choose from designs if you have one that you would like to use, or you can enter just your subject and content here, however you would like to do it. If you do designs, you'll have to enter your subject, and then you can select your design from your library. But I am just going to do a simple one. I'm going to add a merge tag here. We do have some more options in here. We have the team name or the app link. So we can go ahead and put those in there. I did not mean to delete that. And we're going to add a merge tag, and we're going to add that KW app link. And then you can have your step details. When should the email be sent? You can have it send, we'll say afternoon, add a step. The time of day that it is sent is going to be based on the time zone that is selected in your SmartPlan settings. We're going to add that step there. And we're going to add another day. And we are going to put the sending a text. With sending a text, it is important to know that if you do not have Twilio connected, it will create a task just like your making a call and creating a task buttons. However, if you do have Twilio connected, you can send an automated text, or you can still create a text task either way. Sending an automated text, it will go ahead and send that text. You can choose whether it's a static or a dynamic text. I'm going to say, enter our text here. Oh, not a frown face. And again, we have the option for merge tags and smiley faces. If your account is connected, it'll show you where it is sending from here. When should the text be sent? You will notice that you have fewer options here. It can only be sent between 8 a.m. and 8 p.m., I believe, for texts. You do want to make sure that you have your settings updated to your time zone in command so that those times of day will be accurate, so that you can make sure you're complying with TCPA. So we're just going to say morning. We're going to add a step here, and then we can add a day. And our last option is to add them to a SmartPlan. And for that, you are just going to select the SmartPlan from your library that you would like to add them to. And again, select the time of day, and we'll add that step. We can add a repeat. We're going to delay it. I'm going to delay it by 7 days. And it will wait 7 days, and then it will repeat it again, starting on day 14. So you can see your SmartPlan details over here, the duration, the number of steps, the total number of touches, and how many times it's set to repeat. Once you have saved it, you can add trigger tags so that anytime a contact is tagged with a specific tag, then they are automatically added to the SmartPlan. You can add contacts here. You can select rules for when to remove the contact. So you have a bunch of options that you can use here. So SmartPlan is just going to be super helpful, and setting up a custom one can really help you boost your business in a way that works for you. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@scottleroymarketing.com, and we hope you have a great day.